Hey Boo! In this lesson, we'll guide you step by step on how to create stunning velvet viral cat eye heart designs using our Nailboo Forever Glaze magnetic gel polish, all from the comfort of your home. Let's make sure you have everything you need at hand. In this tutorial, we will be using Forever Glaze Base Coat, Forever Glaze No Wipe Top Coat, Forever Glaze magnetic gel polish in a shade, Pink Quartz, Forever Glaze gel polish lamp, gel polish magnet wand, Beauty Secrets lint-free nail wipes, cuticle nipper, dotting tool set, nail art brush with dotting tool, 4-pack nail art brush set, and white 4-sided buffer block 120 grit. Start with clean, prepped nails. If you're still sporting another manicure, you'll need to make sure you remove it before starting. Prepping nails properly makes all the difference, so never skip this part. Here, I'm going to use this super cute and sparkly cuticle stick that can be found inside the gem kit packaging. Use a rounded end of the cuticle pusher to gently lift and push back the nail fold, and pay attention to the clear invisible cuticle left on your nail surface. Your cuticle is a thin layer of dead tissue that forms a barrier at the base of your nail. Since nail enhancements don't adhere to the skin on the nail plate, it's essential to remove the cuticle properly through gentle scraping. Next, I'm going to use Beauty Secrets cuticle nippers that are perfect for getting rid of any hangnails and non-living tissue. When using cuticle nippers, fully press down on the handle fully, open and only then lift the nippers to make a clean cut. Avoid tugging when the blades are still closed, and be sure to only get keratinized tissue. Next, I'll use a foam buffer to lightly buff to remove the natural shine, and give my nails a matte look. It's important to give your nails the right texture to promote adhesion. Remember, gentle buffing is the key. We don't want to damage those beautiful nails. To clean your nail plate thoroughly, swipe a lint-free wipe soaked in cleansing alcohol across your nails. This step removes oils, debris, and moisture. Here's a hack. Grab a flat nail art brush, dip it in acetone, and carefully swipe it around the cuticle area. This removes any remaining dust and ensures a spotless, clean base for a flawless manicure. Before gel application, we'll start by creating our heart magnetic tool. You can use a paperclip or steel wire for this. Before you begin, check if your wire is magnetic by testing it with a magnet wand. Begin by straightening the paperclip as much as possible. Then bend it in half and hold the ends firmly. Twist the ends 2 to 3 times to create a loop. If the prongs are uneven, trim them to the same length. Next, adjust the V shape so it angles slightly downward. Finally, shape the loop to create a base that easily attaches to a magnet. For the best results, use a super strong magnet, like the wand we're using here. When creating the heart, hold the wand at an upward angle so the magnet is positioned just under your nail. Alright, now that we are fully prepared, let's start by applying a thin layer of Nailboo's Forever Glaze Base Coat to the natural nail. Apply in a rubbing motion for best adhesion. Apply to all 5 nails and cure for 60 seconds in Forever Glaze Gel Polish Lamp. Position the nails so that the light hits all sides. Remember not to touch your nails until your manicure is complete. Don't worry about tackiness after curing the base and color coats. Roll the bottle of magnetic gel between your hands to ensure it is well mixed and to bring up the magnetic particles. Apply 1 layer of pink quartz to all nails, but do not cure it yet. Next, hold the magnet wand straight over the nail to push away the shimmer particles, creating a smooth jelly tint as your base color. Once the shimmer is removed, cure the layer for 60 seconds. Next, apply a second coat of pink quartz and create a velvet effect by hovering the magnet at the bottom, top, and both sides of your nail for a few seconds. Move the magnet back and forth between the sides to lift the magnetic particles and achieve an even effect. Without curing, position the wire tool over the nail and hold it steady. Remove the magnet quickly and cure immediately after forming the heart. If the heart shape isn't perfect, you can adjust the prongs of your wire tool and try again. Remember, the size of the tool will influence the final shape of the heart. Repeat this process on the other nails, working 1 nail at a time for the best results. We could stop here, but I decided to do a little extra and use these super cute translucent blue Aurora 3D hearts from the Kitschy Gem Kit. I picked the smallest size and placed each heart in the center of the nail using a small drop of top coat. After positioning each heart, I cured it. Finally, I topped everything off with the no-wipe top coat and cured for another 60 seconds. For the thumb, we'll create another heart design that doesn't require a custom heart tool. Start by applying 1 layer of pink quartz to the nail. Next, create a velvet effect by folding the magnet perpendicular to the nail and moving it along both sides and across the tip. Cure for 60 seconds. Next, grab the largest size from the dotting tool set and pick up some pink quartz using the brush. Create 2 even dots in the center of the nail. Then, use a brush to stretch the bottom of each dot downward, bringing the lines together to meet at a point in the center. Finally, fill in the center to complete the heart shape. Once the heart is formed, use a magnet wand to magnetize the design, creating a beautiful effect that shifts at different angles. When you're happy with the result, cure it for 60 seconds. Finally, apply a top coat, cure it, and there you have it, a magnetic disappearing heart design. Love this look? Give your nails a glow up with our magnetic gel hearts tutorial. Like this video if you're obsessed with these stunning velvet cat eye hearts, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite nail art hacks. Try this yourself and show us your masterpiece by tagging us and using the hashtag #SallyBeautyNails. We'd love to feature your creations. Want more trendy nail art tips? Subscribe now for part 2 and never miss out on your next nail obsession.